In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google form in Canva. Start by opening the Canva project where you want the form to appear. This can be any design type: presentation, flyer, document, or a custom canvas. Give yourself a clear spot on the page where the form will live so it's easy to place and resize later. On the left-hand sidebar in Canva, look for the Apps option. If you don't see it right away, scroll down that panel, click Apps, then use the search bar to type Embed. Select the Embed app from the results. This is the tool that lets you bring live content into your design using a link. Now, switch over to your Google form in a separate tab. You'll need the form's shareable link. The easiest way to grab it is to click the Send button in the top right of Google Forms, choose the link icon, and copy the provided URL. If you see options to shorten the link, that's fine, but not required. Just make sure your form is set to accept responses from anyone who has the link, especially if your form is restricted to an organization. That way, it will display correctly in Canva for you and anyone you share the design with. Head back to Canva, and in the Embed app, paste the Google form link into the field provided. Double-check there aren't extra spaces before or after the URL, then select Add to Design. Canva will place an interactive frame of your Google form directly onto your canvas. Give it a moment to load. Once it appears, you can click and drag the corners to resize it, or move it around the page until it fits your layout. The embedded form will act like any other element in your design, so you can layer it with text or graphics. Just be careful not to cover important fields. If the form doesn't show up, confirm you copied the full link from Google Forms and that the form is accessible with the link. Refreshing the design or pasting the link again can resolve small hiccups. When everything looks good, use Canva's preview or presentation mode to see how the embedded form behaves. Your audience can interact with it directly in supported formats, making it a streamlined way to collect responses without sending people elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Open your project, launch the Embed app, copy your Google form link, paste it into Canva, and add it to your design. Simple, clean, and ready to share.